Now we're going to create a crown. We're going to open our paper napkin and we're going to fold it towards us. Now we're going to take the left bottom and fold it up to create a little triangle in the middle. We're going to take the top of the right corner and fold it down. And now we're going to turn it. We're going to turn it over and fold it in half. When we fold it in half, you can see that on the back there is a little triangle left. In the back there is a fold that is folded that we're going to open up now and take the top of it and fold it and open it downwards. Now we're going to take the right side corner and fold it inside halfway. Now we're going to take the bottom of the triangle and fold it up, and we're going to turn the whole napkin again and take the right corner and tuck it inside the left triangle. And now we're going to go in the middle of the napkin and open it up on the bottom. We're going to open it up to create a crown. This usually goes on a plate.